I had such a fun time visiting the tropical orchard right here in South Vietnam that I can't wait to show you guys the vlog, the things that I've seen, things that I have tasted, even something that I have never tried before until I came to this place. So stay tuned, but first I'd like to introduce you to the owner of the orchard, Joe Cường.
Chú là chú Cường.
Chú Cường.
Chú là Cường là coi như làm vườn ở Cái Bè, Tiền Giang.
Xin chào chú Cường.
And this is Minh, our driver.
Hello,
He's awesome. If you guys want to book a driver or want to check out this farm, I'll leave the information below. Hey guys, we just got to the farm. It is about an hour and a half away from Ho Chi Minh or Saigon. I'm so excited to show you guys around. There are so many different kinds of tropical fruits out here. Oh my gosh. Look what I found. This durian is, this one on top is actually the really big one right here. They told me that this is actually out of season and they've only have like durian flowers and they harvest the rest of the fruits, but apparently I am so in luck today. I'm able to spot this last tree with some fruits that are not ready to harvest, so I get to have this amazing shot for you. There's no concerns of the jackfruits or the fruits, especially the durians. You definitely don't want them to fall on your heads. People who come out and buy them to export as well, they come here and they buy them and pick them a little early so they won't be so ripe to the point that they would actually like fall down. So I guess that's not an issue. So these durians can be sold for about $4 something per kilo, which is about 2 pounds, and they are about 14 pounds each roughly, each of these fruits, and there's a few hundred kilos on a tree, which adds up to be over $1,000 per tree that they can sell at a wholesale price. It's about $15 per kilo retail. It smells so good. It hasn't opened and it doesn't smell like durian, but it smells really sweet. So after the flower opens, this is where the durian fruit would grow out of, right here. The trees that you're seeing here are about 15 years old, and I'm just so fascinated by how far these branches reach, and they actually sway with the wind. This tree is amazing, and you know, the branches actually, it sways like these branches. It's crazy. They're able to support these really heavy, spiky fruits. Cái bông này ăn được không nhỉ? Ăn được không? Cái bông? Oh. I asked if you can eat these, like the flowers, and oops, I dropped one. And they said no, but sometimes I think to be on the cautious side, they tell you no because they don't eat it and they don't know if you can, but it's so sweet. Do this at your own risk, guys. Bông cái nước ngọt quá.
Nước ngọt như đường luôn á nha. Gấp nước ngon quá. Ngọt. Ăn xong rồi hai đứa đi vô nằm luôn.
Ai chở về? Ở đây ngủ. These are taro. They're very common in Southeast Asia. Yeah. They grow in like swamps. They love like muddy waters. Some varieties can do okay in wet, like just in soil that's kind of wet. So this is the size of the taro plant. Look at that. And then right behind we got the baby coconuts. And this is the coconut palm. Look at the coconuts. Look at these jackfruit plant here. This is the Thai variety of jackfruits. The locals consider this as the better variety because they like eating things crunchy, but these ones are not astringent when they're crunchy. They are actually still very fragrant and sweet. I actually do like it this way. I know some people out there like to eat them more ripe, which I do too, but I think I'd rather have those in a smoothie. Oh, thơm quá. It's crunchy but sweet and so fragrant. It's just the way I like it. This is just another spot near the site where we're having lunch in a very swampy land. I wish I can grow so many of these back home, but look at these. These are Pandan, also known as la yu. Absolutely love these in Vietnamese desserts, Thai desserts, Malaysian, Singaporean. The best pairing for this is coconut cream. Wish I can take all these home with me. Oh. Okay, so I'm not exactly taking these back home, but he is picking some for me to take back to my family here in Vietnam so that we can make whatever we want with them. They are so fresh. Can't get them as good as these at the market. Check it out. If you guys need to use the toilet out on the farm, or I guess the countryside, this is the fabulous, most luxurious toilet that you can find. It's pretty common out here. It basically has like, well, a little bit of privacy here, and then there's a hole, and that is gache, some kind of fish that grows pretty large, and they will catch whatever you dispose in here. I mean, can life get any better than this, guys? There is a jumbo tree right above for shade, and you probably can pick a fruit and eat while you're doing your business. So excuse me, I'll be right back with you. Yep, that was my first time using an outdoor potty. You can see how these fish have such great appetite. Wow. Wow. Okay, now I am getting back on track after lunch, going out to harvest some, goodness, what is this called? Oh, yose! Star apples. Yose, Phong?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's soft already.
Oh, this one I can eat.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh gosh. Oh, thank you. One hand is hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. Oh, so pretty. Yeah. This is translucent in this inside, so it's definitely ripe. Mmm. Okay. This is a good one. I have to catch it, huh? Woo! This is somewhere between 40 to 30 kilos. I wonder if I can even pick this up. Oh my God. Honestly, if this is 40 kilos, it's probably gonna weigh almost as much as me. That wasn't so bad. Good thing I just had lunch. These are the star apples they picked, and then when they pack them to ship, it goes into these in layers with some leaves to cushion between every layer. Oh, this is katuk. Look at all the culantrals. I love these. So in the tropics, it's hard to grow cilantro, even though they do have them around here, but they're usually in hoop houses, and they come from like cooler places, like more higher altitude. Yeah, it has a really similar aroma compared to the cilantro, but yeah, slightly different, but similar. The smell of this is more similar to the later stage of the cilantro when it's, you know, when it's going to flower. Look at the coconuts. Just want to touch this just so I can say that I've touched a coconut. Then after these coconuts, I sort of went on this bridge and looked down. I was able to spot these kind of strange looking creatures that I think they are mudskippers, which are the type of fish that can live outside of water for a long time. And I just really wish I was able to interact with them, but I was actually taking this clip through like the cracks of a bridge. Oh, and look at that stalk. Let's try to get over there. Look at the stalk of bananas. Let me know in the comments below if you guys know what kind this one is. Yeah, but the guy that was taking me around is resting after lunch. He's like taking his nap. So I'm just kind of exploring on my own. This is so cool. I got bananas in the foreground and the background are coconuts. This is the mango tree. So far, all the fruits that I've had here has been tasting far better than the ones I've had elsewhere. So let's ask Jogan what he feeds these fruit trees.
Ở đây thì coi như là mình bón, mình ở đây mình bón phân cho cây á, là mình xài phân hữu cơ, phân dơi, phân cúc, phân gà, phân trù. Rồi nó 4 loại phân đó để dùng cho cây, để cho trái ngon trái ngọt. Tức là mình cho phân nó ăn là bắt đầu là mình nuôi cây rồi tới có trái là mình nuôi trái. Rồi tới chừng trái bự về mà nó chuẩn bị thu hoạch rồi là mình sẽ ngưng phân. Mình sẽ ngưng phân 10 ngày. 10 ngày là bắt đầu thu hoạch đó.
Alright guys, thank you for joining me on this tour. I had so much fun on this tour. I hope you had fun with me today. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to check out that video and I'll see you right back here in the next one. Bye.